So the folks over at Lamicall sent me this Tesla Model Y car screen protector. It says here this is compatible with the 20 to 24 Model Ys and the 2017 to 23 Model 3s. Fingerprint resistant, which I have a hard problem with. Scratch resistant, hardness on there, anti-reflective, and a perfect fit. Also promises quick installation and smooth touch. So let's open it up and see what's in it. Thank you for choosing Lamicall. And here's the complete instruction sheet for it. And then here's the unit itself. So it looks like we're going to get a squeegee. Looks like some kind of a cleaner in this. And then this is the unit itself. So let's get in the car and let's get it installed. All right, so the first thing we got to do is go into screen cleaning mode. So let's go here. Let's go to display. There's the screen cleaning mode. All right, so next we're going to use the cleaning wipes they gave us. We're going to go ahead and wipe down the screen. Make sure you wash your hands before you start this, because once this thing goes on, like, it's not coming off, and if you got fingerprints in there on the screen, it's going to be there. All right, so let's just gently wipe this down. All right, there's that. Now they include this nice little cloth. This is what you're going to use to dry the screen cleaner. Align the alignment tool with the screen, ensuring the correct orientation. So you got to align this first. Okay, so this will say top here. You'll put this over the screen. Pull this. Just pull this out like so. Then take your finger and just press and slide. All you're trying to do here is get rid of these little air bubble pockets that are in here. Just press and slide. Then it says to wait 30 seconds. All right, now it says to pull this tab off like that. Then remove the protector here. And then use the squeegee tool to work out any more air bubbles. Make sure you start from the middle and work your way out. Don't start from the outside edge. You want to work your way out. And you'll see if there's air bubbles left in there, you can just look around and see what you got. And there it is. We now have a screen protector in place. All right, so as you can see, now it's all installed, and the touch controls, everything still works correctly. Charging, locks, lights, seats, everything's still working well. If we hit the things there, we can open up YouTube or whatever we need to do. One final note, you have a little tab right here. So if for whatever reason you need to remove this screen protector, you can just peel it off, reset it, or replace it if needed. I think this is going to be a pretty good screen protector.